So, how can you find out that one of your vendors that you are actually relying on is a good vendor or not in the era of AI? So, I follow a very simple rule that has worked out for me over the years. That if, let's say, that I hire a vendor and I also do some kind of a basic check on ChatGPT or whatever, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, to find basic information related to the task that this vendor has to do, then it should not happen that I should kind of find few things from ChatGPT and point those things out to vendor, because if that is happening, then I might as well do it myself with the help of ChatGPT, right? So the vendor is not as good. Somewhere, somehow, the attention to detail for this vendor is lacking, and he is not giving the personal attention that is required for the specific projects or to supply these specific things that is required to be completed. They are actually, they have some kind of generic template that they are just throwing at all their customers. So that's not a good way to work, and this vendor is not good. However, if let's say that I do a basic research on ChatGPT, and everything that ChatGPT tells me is covered by quotation given by vendors or in initial couple of communications by the vendors, and then after those communication I get to know a lot more things about the project and the domain in which I need the task completed, and then I take those things and verify it on ChatGPT whether this vendor is taking me for a ride just to give a higher quotation, or those things actually add value or not. And if on the AI I find out that these things actually add some value, some palpable value to the overall project that I want delivered, it means that to some extent I can say that this vendor is basically better than the other vendor that I spoke to. So this is one kind of a level zero test that can be done to vet or verify how good a vendor is while getting a task completed. Okay, see you next time.